今集我哋會用獨特嘅方法自製沖涼企缸。
Working on our shower tray.
On the right you can see pump system.
You can pull out the toilet.
你好啊，我哋係
講得製之二人，
講得 selfmade. With screws to straighten the two solar panels.
呢兩個係100Ah 嘅鋰電池。
Will be sucked in, warm up.
你好，你好，konnichiwa. Welcome to 講得製. Here you can see the two water tanks installed.
裝咗水箱之後，人有三急，所以我哋要盡快整最重要嘅廁所啦。為咗保護環境，我哋選擇自製環保廁所。佢只需要好少量嘅水，而且無需要任何化學物料嚟處理排泄物。請留意稍後我哋嘅詳細介紹。完成基本嘅裝置之後，我哋由德國南部去到北部，非常多謝我哋嘅好朋友 Jens 借出設備齊全嘅工場俾我哋，仲好有心機教我哋特製一個沖涼企缸。
Today we will make ventilation system on the roof for the bathroom. We will cut the hole here and then install our ventilation mushroom. Looks like a mushroom. I installed the ventilation mushroom. The glue need to dry now, 24 hours, better 2 days. Should not drive the car, so the plastic bondings can get full strength and nothing happened. We have here a door, so we can open it later and have access to all our water supply. I will show you later this.
So we are working here now on the shower tray, glass fiber tray for custom made. We make the coating and then the glass fiber these next days. This negative mold is highly polished and I will wax it and then we will make it very, very shiny. Here we will have the plug for the water going out. Back to the pump system. This is now the templates with the coating. These are the glass fiber and later this epoxy fixed. After applying the first glass layer, which is very wired and structured, we apply here another layer of glass fiber. This one have a bit more structure, will give later the whole package. It's very strong and then will be lightweight. Everything sealed now with the plastic bag. Here the entrance tubes, 2 of them for the epoxy resin going in, and then you should go through the glass fiber mat, through all this material and come out there. We will make 2 in one go. This one pump. Let's see how the result will be. So the test vacuum is going in the corners, and here epoxy come in. And here's a vacuum pump.
冇問題。 Hey guys, working on our shower tray. We are sanding up until 2000 grinds and then it's going into polishing, and later it will be super shiny and super slippery when you have water on it. Still working on the shower tray the whole day.
Keep going!
This material is called all-purpose material, and this is highly pressed wood with a lot of resin, epoxy and a secure white surface. You can use it in all areas with waters. This is completely waterproof board. Now I glue the cover for the toilet, which will later move into the cupboard, and if we need it, we just pull it out and use the toilet in the bathroom. Now I'm installing the bathroom light. This is a normal LED light. I connect them and now we will put all back and screw it inside.
Testing the water tank. This is the gray water tank, and it all is tight and no water leaking.
Yeah, the filter is working very well. So far we have no leaking. Here through the garden hose, goes through this yellow pipe into filter, and from the red out into our tank. On the right you can see pump system will bring 3-bar pressure. The small round one is the pump gun. In the back the silver one is to lower the pressure. The water will go to water heating system. It will be heat up from the air from the diesel heating system and make water for shower nice warm. On the bottom you can see grey water collection point with a pump. All the water will go directly into grey water tank. I want to show you now how we set up our bathroom with toilet. Here above I put a little small piece of the same material, it's a plastic board, to make sure the water is not going behind onto the toilet while you're having shower. So you can pull out the toilet. This one is a composting toilet. Here inside is a separator, one side for the pee and one side for the poo. A spray with water and vinegar, and if you want to pee, you just get a little bit here inside and then you can pee. It helps you to clean more easier. The poo and the pee need to be separated because this reduces the stink. For the poo, to make sure that it's dry out immediately, we have wood pieces, small wood grind, what is usually used for rabbits and for the animals at home. In the area for the poo, we will add something of that, and after poo you will add on top. If you want to empty the toilet, you just open here. Here inside the container with the poo, there is a plastic bag. We wrap the plastic bag and throw it in the trash. The urine you can put in any sink, toilet, and then you can move this toilet back into the wall and have a shower. It's definitely loon already.
暖水
Loon side.
shower, yay!
We hope you like to watch our videos. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us below. Please also subscribe and like our channel. Thank you very much for watching. I'll take a little bit out and check the thing.